Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. So the agenda of video is we are going to discuss drop duplicate in Python. So basically how we can remove duplicate values from data frame in Python. So to fetch the unique records in SQL, if you guys are familiar with SQL, so you must be aware we use distinct and group by clause. And for removing duplicate value, we also use Windows functions like row, rank, and then rank. Okay, to find out the unique value, and after that we can delete. Okay, and in Python, basically we use drop duplicates to remove the duplicate value. So let me show you what I'm trying to say exactly. So suppose we have this example. We have let's say department table, and if you see here, we have this 10, 20, 30, 40, and this 10, 20, 30, 40 are repeating. Now, if I need to remove the duplicate value, then I will use that drop duplicate command, and after using, I will get this output. So if you see here, 10, 20, 30, 40 is repeating, but here after removing duplicates, I'm getting the unique reports. So now let's see how we can achieve this in Python. Okay, so we have this department CSB for this. Let me show you. So if you see here, we have this 30, 40 values are repeating. Okay. So first let me import this. Let's move into the Jupyter notebook and let me open the new file. Okay. Import pandas as PD. And then let's say data frame. I'm using reading this file basically. So I need to provide the path. So this is my path and the file name is dpt.csv. Okay, and I need to put inverted comma in this. Let me check the name. Oh, it's dpt. Okay, now if I run this, so if you see, I have this 30 40 is repeating. Okay, so to remove this, what I will do, I will simply write we have data in df dot this command drop duplicates. Okay, and now if I run this to see that 30 40 values are not repeating. Okay, you can also put drop duplicate directly here. Let's say if you don't want to assign this into the variable, uh, no, you can directly put here as well. See, it is not coming now, and if I remove this, the duplicate value will come. Okay, so yeah, you can put in a single line, you can put multiple function. Once you are familiar, then you can put one by one multiple things in one line. Okay, so I hope you will understand how we can remove duplicate values in Python. Okay, so thank you everyone.